how to fix Steam download drops to zero issue. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to open your Steam app on your PC and click on Steam, and then you have to click on the settings option from here, and you just have to simply click on the downloads from here, and you just have to change the download region to your nearest region. So that's US San Diego for me, and you just have to click on restart now, and it will automatically restart your Steam app and changing the region to your nearest. So after that, the problem might fix in your case, and if not, then there is a second method, and let me show you the second method also. So first, for that, you just have to simply go to your search bar from here, and then you just have to search for cPanel or control panel, and then you just have to click on control panel and make sure to make the category on large icon, and then you just have to, and now you just have to select the network and sharing center from here, and then you just have to click on the change adapter settings, and you just have to right click on your properties, and then you just have to click on the internet protocol version and click on the properties, and then you just have to click on the use the following in a server at manual from the automatic, and then you just have to type it 888, type in 8, you just have to go to the internet protocol versions and click on properties, and you have to click on here and type in 8, and then 8 8, and then on the alternate DNS server you just have to type in 8 8, and then 4 and 4, and you just have to press on OK and close the adapter from here, and then you just have to check on your Steam app if the problem is solved or not, and if not, then there is another also a method. You just have to type cmd from Windows and enter, click on enter here, and you just have to type in ipconfig here, and then /flush DNS, and then you just have to click on enter, and then you just have to type winsock, then reset, and then enter, and after that you just have to close the cmd here from here, and you just have to restart your PC by clicking on restart. And after restarting your PC, you just have to click on the Windows search bar and search for disk drive or the driver option, device manager option, and after that you just have to simply click on the disk drive, and as you can see, this is the disk drive. You just have to right click on it and click on the properties and go to the proper policies, that uncheck the enable write caching on the device and click on OK, and then you just have to go to your Steam and see your problem is solved. So make sure to let me know in the comment section which method worked for you. So, and see you on the next video, guys.